What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. In today's episode, I will teach you how to change your product order on Shopify. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your products, and as you can see, this is all of my products, and they are all listed in order, and I can't just drag it down and change the order of my product. So if I want to change that, just go to collections and go to home page, and as you can see in my homepage, I only have my one product. So I'm just going to add the other two, add another one. And right here, I have all of my products and they're all again listed in order. So if I want to change that, I can just click this sort and set it to manually and see what happens. As you can see, I can now drag it down and set the order to whatever arrangement I want. That's it. That's how you change product order on Shopify. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.